Hello everyone, my name is Madhav. Welcome to Gyanshala and Masti. Today we will be talking about our Taj Mahal. So, as you know, Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful monuments in India. And it's not only because it is made up of white marble, but there are mathematical factors that make it so appealing and it even makes it very resistant to earthquakes. So let's just see that how the Taj Mahal was built. So the main reason that many drawings appear to be appealing is only because of symmetry. Most of the times it is because of the symmetry. Now, whenever there is an object and we cut it in the perfect half, then this side should also be the same and this side should also be the same. So in symmetry, this side will be same and this side will also be the same. So Taj Mahal follows that symmetry. So when we basically draw imaginary line in the middle of Taj Mahal, both sides appear to be similar. That's why it is so beautiful. Now, second thing, let us talk about earthquakes. So, what will happen if a strong earthquake struck Agra, where the Taj Mahal is built? So, the main Taj Mahal building will be fine because the minarets, which are the four pillars which are built on the four sides of the Taj Mahal, so there usually the pillars are straight at 90 degrees. But if this is the Taj Mahal, then the pillars are here. So the pillars are not exactly 90 degree. They are slightly tilted like this. And why is that? So if the Taj Mahal is here and an earthquake is there, and if the minaret is tilted like this, then if it breaks, it will fall on this side, which will not damage the main building. But if it would be straight, then it could fall on both sides and it could still damage the building. So that's why it is made a slightly tilted away from the main Taj Mahal. Now we will be talking about the engravements on top of it. So let us see that what are engravements. So whenever there is a building in the early ages, they used many tools to write on it, but they did not write with paint. They wrote with uh, our hammer and a sharp object. So they took the hammer and they struck the marble using the sharp object. So they basically dug the marble to make drawings. So those are engravements. Now, whenever you see any object, when it is close by, it appears to be large. But when we go further away or that object goes further away, it becomes small. So, what does it have to do with engravements? So, when the engravements are here in front of you, you see them clearly. But as they go higher up, because the Taj Mahal is also high, so if you go higher up, you are not able to see them. Like I am seeing here, and if I am seeing there, so I will not be able to clearly see the engravements that are on top. So what the architects have done, they have used mathematical constant that every time we will go higher up, we will make the engravement deeper. So if they make it deeper and by a certain rate according to the height, then we will be able to see the engravement from here to the top in this in the same size. The size will not decrease. So this is the third thing. Now the fourth thing is very interesting because it is the golden ratio. Now you may have heard this golden ratio before, but let me tell you again that what is golden ratio. So golden ratio actually comes from a number. So as I told you, the golden ratio value is 1.618 or basically 1.6. So if you take numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and 34 till infinity, you will see that every number is the sum of the previous one. Like 3, 2 and 1 is equal to 3. And then you see 5. because 1, 2, 3, 5 is there. So if you see 5, it is the sum of 3 and 2. So every number is the sum of the previous two numbers. So if you take 8, then 5 and 3 are the sum of, if we add 5 and 3, 8 will come. So this is the golden ratio. So whenever we divide them, when we go upwards and divide them, then you will see that every answer will be approximate to 1.6. So what does it have to do with geometry? So now you see, if we take a square, so we will start with a 1 by 1 square. Then we will start with 2 by 2 square. Then 3 by 3 square, then 5 by 5, and so on. So if you make a geometrical figure, uh, taking place like two squares are here, then three squares here, then five squares here. So if you make a geometrical figure, then you will see there is a curve pattern like this. So it actually makes a rectangle kind of shape up to 8 and even 13 also. So it makes a rectangle like shape. And when you draw something on it, then, and if you draw it perfectly, then you will see that there will be a curved pattern. And when you set this curved pattern on the Taj Mahal, it fits perfectly. Now this golden ratio was used in many historical monuments like the Pantheon in Greece and many other important buildings it was used on. So that's also one reason that why it is so appealing. So hope you like this video. If you liked it, please share it with everyone and please subscribe to the channel also. Bye.